Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Good lighting is very important to me. This little rechargeable lamp from HAPYGI has been the best discovery. It's unique and lovely. The light is so beautiful as you see it radiating from that glass insert. Now it is on the small side, so I've placed it here next to a regular size can of soda just to give you an idea of size reference. Now it's a touch lamp, which means you just touch the base and you can turn it on. It has 3 different temperatures or colors of the light, and you can simply go through those and find the one you want. And it's also dimmable. So you just place your finger back down on the base and hold it there, and you'll notice that the light will fade and dim to whatever degree of light you may want. It's the perfect little accent lamp, and I can take it anywhere because it's rechargeable and cordless. I can use it outside on my patio if I want a little extra light on the table, or while I'm having drinks in my little sitting area. I love the fact that I can change the temperature to kind of match the surroundings, also dim it or make it brighter depending on my needs. It's so unique and so versatile. It has been an absolute favorite in my home, and I bring it inside as well, and I can put it anywhere in my home for a little extra lighting. It's so beautiful. It really matches everything in and outside my home. Because it's beautiful and versatile, I find myself reaching for it and bringing it all over my home. And it's one of those lights I like to leave on to welcome me whenever I come home and it's dark. I just love it. And that is my point of view.